Hello friends, now we are discussing the pedal equation. As we know, the equation here we are using as P is equal to R into sine phi pedal equation. So now we'll discuss what is the working rule, how to solve this equation. For any polar curves, first step is we have to apply the logarithm function. Then we do differentiate with respect to theta and we have to find the phi value. What is phi here? Angle between the radius vector and the tangent. After getting the phi value, we have to substitute this P is equal to R sine phi equation to get the pedal equation. So the equation should contain PR and a constant, not for the theta. So here we have the simple example. Let us consider the example on the pedal equation. Here we have find the pedal equation, find the pedal equation, find the pedal equation of, we have here r to the power n is equal to a to the power n into cos n theta. This is the curve given. So we have to identify what is the pedal equation for the given curve. Let us consider the solution part. Here we have the solution. Given curve is given as r to the power n is equal to a to the power n into cos of n theta. I'll call the given equation as equation number 1. What I said, first step, we have to apply the logarithm function. Apply the logarithm function to the equation 1. Apply log on on both sides of the equation 1. Both sides of the equation 1. So what we have here, log of r to the power n in the LHS. Similarly, here we have log of a to the power n into cos of n theta. So after applying the log function, we got the equation as log of r to the power n is equal to log of a power n into cos n theta. So here we know that we have what is the equation for log of a power n. So here log of a power b, we know that we can rewrite as b into log a, and similarly log of m into n or a into b, we can write this. We know this is log of m plus log of n. With the help of this we can simplify the given equation. That is, now I'll have this thing, a to the power b, nothing but here the b takes as n. So therefore n into log of r in the LHS. What about the RHS? First I should write log of mn, that is log of a power n plus of log of cos of n theta, cos of n theta. So next n into log of r, which is equal to, again here I can write n into log of a plus log of cos of n theta. So we got the equation as equation number 2. So now we have to differentiate the given equation with respect to theta. So now I'll have differentiate equation 2 with respect to theta, equation 2 with respect to theta. So while differentiating equation 2 with respect to theta, we will get the terms as, here you can see n by r, because the derivative of log r is 1 by r. So n by r into dr by d theta in the LHS. So RHS, here you can see that it's a constant, the value will be 0, and plus log of cos of n theta is 1 by cos of n theta into derivative of cos n theta is minus n into sine of n theta. So here you can observe these two get cancelled. As we know, the angle between the radius vector and the tangent, the formula we have, angle between the radius vector and the tangent, we have cot of phi, which is given as 1 by r into dr by d theta. That I can substitute here, angle between the radius vector and the tangent place. So here we have LHS part, cot of phi, which is equals to, here we have sine by cos, that is sine by cos is tan. So this tan, cot of phi will convert now. Cot of phi is equal to This we can make it as cot of 90 plus theta. Pi by 2 plus what is my theta value? N into theta. So therefore, cot get cancelled, will come to know phi as pi by 2 plus n theta. So therefore, pedal equation is given by P is equal to R into sine of phi. This phi we will substitute now. So P is equal to R, we are keeping as it is, into sine of 90 plus theta, that is pi by 2 plus n theta. So sine of 90 plus theta, we know that it is the cos theta. So therefore, P is equal to, we have here R into cos of n theta. So this implies I can replace cos of n theta as P by R. This I am calling as equation 3. Okay, so now I'll use this equation 3 in equation 1 to remove this theta function. So therefore, here I'll write using equation 3, equation 1 becomes, so here we have, what is the equation 1? We have r to the power n is equal to a to the power n into cos n theta. Actually, my equation 1 is this thing. So now I am replacing cos n theta, that is r to the power n is equal to a to the power n into cos of n theta. What I can replace? P by r. So I will replace this r to the LHS. So I am getting r to the power of n into r is equal to a to the power of n into p. So therefore, if the base is same, we can add the power. So therefore, r to the power n plus 1 is equal to a to the power of n into p. So this is the pedal equation for the given curve. So we discussed about this. Thank you.